Yeah.
Okay, it's going.
Huh. What do you go by now? You have so many accounts.
Nikolai Hoshigaki.
And then Nikolai Hoshigaki is going to watch the suicide clip from Texas Chainsaw Massacre where the chick blows her brains out.
Huh?
You'll see. Right, alright.
Put the computer closer.
Stop it!
What is going on?
You'll see. You're not watching the movie, by the way.
Make me go back. I won't go back. Back where?
This movie is based off a true story, Nicole. This all actually happened.
Oh god, this is gonna be worse.
Concerned to the dubstep portal.
Help. What you doing? Oh, let's go.
Drop it.
Oh god. Oh, you suck! I hate you. I hate you. Oh, so that's what happened to Squidward and Squidward's suicide.
Basically.
That is disturbing. Oh, vomiting. Yeah. Wish I could do that right now, but I don't have much in my stomach. Oh god, I hate you. I hate you so much.
Oh, it wasn't that bad.
Wasn't that bad? She blew her brains out.
I told you she was going to.
Stop.
I told you. I'm like, she's gonna see the clip where some chick blows her brains out. You know, if you would do the same thing if you had her reasonings. Trust me, it was a horrible, horrible reason.
Yeah. Turn it off.
Do 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 do
Shut up.
do 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 do.